Hi everyone, my name is Charvik and today I am going to graft a yellow porticula with a pink porticula. So I am going to use the yellow porticula as a rootstock and the pink porticula plant as the scion. Let's do this. So here I am using a cross-cut method because the plant is small. So as you can see I have cut it like this. I have cut the rootstock like this. So I'm going to connect it over here and connect it with tape. I finished putting the tape here and I've attached some thread to keep it in a fixed position. Let's look at our results after a few days. Thank you. Here you can see the flower that has bloomed, and since we are shooting in the evening it has closed a little, but you can still see the yellow and pink color lines. Thank you.